types from geography. First of all, we will study what are resources. Anything that satisfy human want or need are known as resource. ऐसी कोई भी चीज जो हमारी जरूरत को पूरा करती है उसे हम रिसोर्स कहते हैं. For example, when we are feeling thirsty, what we need water. So here water is your resource. Now we will move to their classification. Resources are classified into three categories: natural resources, human-made resources, human resources. Number one, natural resources. Natural resources are those resources which are drawn from the nature and used without much modification. Example: air, water, mineral, etc. Now, human-made resources. Human-made resources are those resources when the original form of the nature resources is changed by human being to make it more useful. Example: fan, TV, etc. Now, human resources. Human resources refers to the number of the people and their ability. Or we can say that who is able to create more resources is known as human resources. Example: people. Now we will move towards the classification of natural resources. Natural resources are classified into four categories. On the basis of origin, on the basis of development, on the basis of renewability, on the basis of distribution. Now, from origin perspective, resources are divided into two categories: biotic and abiotic. Biotic means those resources which are living things, and abiotic means all non-living things. On the basis of development, resources are divided into two categories: potential and actual. Potential resources are those resources whose entire quantity is not known to us, and those are not used entirely at present. ऐसे resources जो अवेलेबल तो हैं बट उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी हमारे पास अवेलेबल नहीं है कि हम उनको पूरे तरीके से अभी तक डेवलप कर पाए. Now we will move towards actual resources. Actual resources are resources whose quantity are known to us. We can say that actual resources are those resources whose quantity are known and figured out. Further, natural resources are classified into two categories: renewable and non-renewable. I guess you all know about renewable and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource means which we can renew again and again. Non-renewable are opposite of it. For example, renewable resources are solar energy and wind energy, which can be replenished or reproduced quickly. On another hand, non-renewable means which are limited in the stock or take millions of the years to reproduce. For example, fossil fuels, coal, etc. Now, on the basis of distribution, resources are divided into two types. Number one, ubiquitous and localized. The meaning of ubiquitous is found everywhere, like air, and the meaning of localized means which resources are found in certain places such as mineral, etc. At last, I will explain you last topic of our chapter, that is sustainable development. Sustainable development means development should take place without damaging the environment. ऐसा विकास जो हमारे पर्यावरण को नुकसान किए बिना किया गया हो. I hope my all students have understood in a better way and watched this video and revised the content. Thank you. God bless you.